In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a void check or direct deposit form from Bank of America online. By the end, you'll be able to provide your employer or any organization with the exact information they need to set up direct deposits, even if you don't have physical checks. Start by opening the official Bank of America website or the mobile app. Sign in with your user ID and password, just like you normally do. For security, make sure you're on a trusted network and look for the secure lock icon in your browser. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual to keep your account protected. Once you're in, choose the checking account that needs the void check. This makes sure the document will show the correct account and routing numbers tied to that specific account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check the nickname or the last 4 digits to avoid confusion. Next, navigate to the Information and Services section for that account. On desktop, you'll typically see it as a tab on the account page. On mobile, it may appear within an account menu or under a details section. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The wording is consistent even if the placement looks slightly different on different devices. From there, look for options to view or order check copies. This is where you can see existing checks, print a void check, or request check copies if you need them. A printable void check will show your routing and account numbers clearly and is labeled void, which prevents it from being used for payment. If you choose to request check copies by mail, be aware that there can be processing times and, in some cases, a fee. When printing at home, save as a PDF first to preserve quality and make sure the information prints clearly without being cut off. If you're setting up direct deposit, there's a streamlined option that many employers prefer. Go to the Services menu and select Direct Deposit Form. This form is pre-filled with your name, routing number, account number, and the bank's details, so you don't have to type anything in. Print it and provide it to your employer or the organization that's setting up the deposit. Some employers will accept this electronically, others may prefer a paper copy. A quick tip to wrap up: a void check and the pre-filled direct deposit form serve the same purpose for setting up deposits, so use whichever is accepted by the organization you're working with, keep copies in a secure place, share only what's necessary, and remember to log out when you're done.